rust up here, which is good. I don't know whether I'm going to pull out this stuff under the driver's seat or not. Someone tell me what they think in the comments. I'm going to probably try to take that heater out today. Real quick, I'm going to try to show you what the guy did at the mechanic shop. Okay, so he replaced 2 of the lines that went to the transmission cooler that had slow leaks. I believe it was these lines, 2 lines here. This one and this one. And that's why my transmission was losing fluid. I don't know if that doesn't look great. I mean, maybe that's just maybe normal. I don't know. But yeah, he replaced those. Okay, before I go up there, I just wanted to show you. These are 2. This is one of the air tanks that you can bleed. I don't see any water coming out of there. This is my ghetto creeper. It's all cardboard box. And let's see. Here's the lift pump. So this is the new lift pump that you put. It's got the fuel filters and everything on it. And you can't really see it too good, but it's got the dryer and the separator, and that's where it pulls the fuel. Pulls the fuel from over there in the fuel tank. I don't know where the line comes from. And goes up to the front. So the fuel tank's over there. The lift pump's right here in the middle. It's got the water separator and the filter on it, so that's the ones I got to change now instead of the ones up front. Let's see what it does. Nothing really, not much air pressure in the water came out. Maybe I'll have to try this at some point when I have air pressure in the system. It must leak really slow because I never have any problem, but when it sits for a while, all the air comes out. So I think that's one of the dryers. But this thing is pretty damn clean underneath. Really no issues down here. We got a lot of crud right here swinging off the drive shaft, but anyway, new lift pump, new lines for the cooler, transmission cooler. Okay, so I decided I'm going to take this out right now. First thing I need a bucket and a screwdriver, and I'm going to go underneath. I got 2 U's. It'll work. I'll be able to reroute it with stuff I have, which is kind of nice. Okay, so I got a bucket, a rag, my gloves, and screwdriver. First thing I'm gonna do is disconnect this end of this and the top end of the other one. Let anything drain out from the inside that I can. and then go take the unit out of the inside. So I don't know if I can show this, but that's very simple. Just take these two screws loose. Let's see if I can just show. Oh, there's another little nest. These guys love this place. I wonder if that one has live ones in it. I don't know. I gotta knock that off of there. So, first step, let's see how this goes, how much dumps out. Just take this screw out. It's a flathead screw. A big flathead screw, so switch ends, switch to the bigger screwdriver. Okay, here we go. And it's coming loose very easily. No liquid's coming out yet. And that's super loose, no? And I can reuse these. I'm gonna reuse these clamps and these two 90-degree elbows to reroute, so I don't have to go buy any new stuff or anything like that. I'm just gonna go take out a good amount of this hose, and then I'm going to just reroute this so it's a loop instead of going through the heater. Just very simple. Okay, so that's broken loose. Okay, here's where it might get messy. It might get messy. I already got dirt in my eye. It's not wanting to come out of there. Surprising, this won't break loose. It is simple, just not easy. I may get to get a razor knife to cut that. Trying to cut the upper hose back, and it's starting to drip. So it's still not coming loose. It's squirting cooling at me. Okay, so I got it out. Bunch of hose. All these damn hangers were hard to get out of there, so I got it all out. There was two 90-degree bends coming off of this. The bottom, this is the bottom of the thing. So that was coming down through the floor, and then it had 90-degree bends, couplers, which was really good because I used those. I used the two 90-degree couplers, and then all the connectors that I had to complete the loop. So this one side used to go back to the back, and the other side used to come back from the heater. and I just made it a closed loop there. So this hanger wouldn't come off. It was a lot harder than I thought it would be, but I got it done. So I have these extra metal pieces that were, I have these 2 extra metal pieces. So I'm going to use it to patch this hole, patch those holes. I have 2 of them. And patch this little bigger hole. That's the only bigger hole that I put the flooring down. And we'll go from there.